Hello there. Today I'm going to be explaining how to find proper targets. Today I will be covering these 3 points, starting with the first one, a risk to reward system. Your TP will always be a multiple of your stop loss. And I will also give you an example for each one. So in this instance, let's say you're using a 5-point stop loss. Okay. And a risk to reward system, you'll have to choose for how much reward you always go for. Let's say you go for a 1 to 5 risk to reward every trade. So that means that however big your stop loss is, in this case 5 points, you will always go for 5 times that. So 5 times 5 is 25 points. So you will always go for a certain multiple of your stop loss. Okay? Next, a set point system. Your TP is always a set number of points. In this instance, you will do something like this. Your stop loss is, let's change it 7.5 points. But you always target 20 points. So in this instance, it will be a 2.67 risk reward. But if you always target 20 points, your stop loss can still differ. But maybe in some strategies, you will always go for, let's say, 10 points. This can work. Basically a dynamic stop loss, but a static TP. This can work, and this is a way some people will trade. Next, a floating target system. So this is something that a lot of ICT traders use. I also use this. So basically your TP can be big or small depending on price action or levels. So I will instantly show you an example. If you, let's say, enter here a short of point of control with, let's say, a 7.5 point stop loss, what do we target? That's a good question. So a way to do that is look for some type of level. So what we can see here is we can see a low here from the day prior. So if we then mark that out, you can see this low here. So you can put your TP on this level, meaning that you will get a 3.93 risk to reward. What you can also do is target a new low of day. What you can see here, market opened up, it went down, created low of day here. If you short here, you could target a new low of day for a 2.23 risk to reward. I hope this makes sense. Thank you for watching. God bless.